In this quick guide, I'm gonna show you how you can change wallpaper on macOS. So the first step is you want to right click anywhere on your desktop, alright? And it's that simple, you just have to click on change wallpaper. And from this menu, you will have options. So you can firstly, let's say, select the wallpaper, which is already built in Mac, and you just have to download it. So let's say if I want to use this London evening, I will click on it, and then it's going to download the wallpaper, right? And after the download is finished, you can see it's automatically applied as my wallpaper. So that's the first way that you can do. And the second way, you can add your own wallpaper. So if I click on add photo, you can choose from your photos, choose your file, or if you have photo sets, you can choose like a whole folder. And I will choose file. And let's say I'm gonna choose those mountains. I'm gonna click on open and it should upload over here. And let's say if you added like a folder with, let's say, I don't know, 100 wallpapers, what you can do if you click on this wallpaper with these arrows in circle, this means the wallpaper will be changed how you set it. So you can change, let's say, your wallpaper every hour. Then you can select randomly, and then it's going to randomly select one of those 100 wallpapers, and it's going to be changed, all right? So this was a quick video how you can change your wallpapers on a Mac. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.